In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add swim lane in Draw.io. By the end, you'll have a clean swim lane diagram in Draw.io with labeled lanes and flow elements placed in the right sections. First, open Draw.io. This can be the web version or the desktop app. Wait for the editor to load so you can see the canvas in the middle and the shape library on the left. Next, click More Shapes. You'll find this at the bottom of the left sidebar where the shape categories are listed. Clicking it opens the Shape Library Manager. Enable BPMN/flowchart. In the dialog, check BPMN and flowchart so those shape sets appear in your sidebar. This ensures the swim lane and common process shapes are available for your diagram. Click Apply. The dialog closes and you should now see BPMN and flowchart categories in the left panel. Now, so drag swim lane to canvas. In the shape library, look for the swim lane shape. You'll typically find it under flowchart or BPMN. Click and drag the swim lane onto the center canvas, then release to place it. Use the corner and side handles to resize it so there's enough space for your process. Add lanes horizontal or vertical as needed. With the swim lane selected, use the small plus controls that appear on the edges to add more lanes. Clicking the plus on the bottom edge adds another horizontal lane. Clicking the plus on the right edge adds another vertical lane depending on the orientation of your swim lane. If you need to switch the orientation, select the swim lane and toggle the horizontal option in the Format panel on the right. This flips the lanes from horizontal to vertical or the other way around. Sign in so you can match your preferred layout. Don't worry, you can change orientation before you start adding content without losing anything. Edit labels. Double-click the main swim lane header to rename the overall process or department. Then double-click each lane title to type the lane names like specific teams, roles, or stages. Press Enter to confirm each label. If a label wraps or is hard to read, resize the lane slightly so the text fits neatly. Keeping labels concise and consistent will make the diagram easier to follow. Add flow elements inside lanes. From here, open the flow chart or BPMN category in the left panel and drag your flow elements like start, process, decision, and end directly into the correct lanes. Release the shape when the lane highlights, which confirms it's placed inside that lane. To connect elements, you hover over a shape until connection points appear, then drag a connector to the next shape. As you move shapes around, the connectors will reroute automatically. Stay within the lane boundaries so each step clearly belongs to the right role or stage. If a shape lands outside by mistake, drag it back into the lane until the highlight shows containment. At this point, you can quickly adjust lane sizes to balance the layout. Drag the lane dividers to create more room for steps where needed. If you add more lanes, labels will follow the same edit behavior. Continue placing and connecting your flow elements until the process is fully mapped within the swim lane. Your swim lane has been added in Draw.io, labeled, and populated with flow elements, and it's now ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.